Good afternoon, friends. Myself Jansar Kishore from Naukar Institute. In last lecture, I explained you about direct indirect speech. There are 6 types of sentences, and I started the first assertive sentence. I give you full explanation, and I give you 5 examples at that time. Now we will go ahead. There is some examples. I hope you will learn very carefully. See the first sentence. Gopal said to Girish, inverted comma, I will reach Bombay tomorrow. Now I have to write down the answer of this sentence. So Gopal is a reporter. Gopal and said to is a reported verb. In place of said to, we have to put told. Gopal told Girish. Girish is a listener. Gopal told Girish. In place of conjunction, we have to put that. Gopal told Girish that. I is used for the Gopal. That means he. In place of will, we have to put would. Reach Bombay. In place of tomorrow, we have to write down the next day. So, answer comes to Gopal told Girish that he would reach Bombay the next day. Now, see the second one. The second sentence says, she said, my brother was ill yesterday. She is a reporter. Said. She said. In place of conjunction, we have to put that. She said that my use for her, she. So that means her brother. Her brother. In place of was, we have to put had been. Had been ill. In place of yesterday, we have to write down the previous day, or other word is the day before. Now, the third sentence say, Hina said to Meena, comma, I have no pen, so I will buy a new one tomorrow. So, in this sentence, Hina is a reporter. Said to, that is a reported verb, we have to put told. Hina told Meena that I is used for Hina, that means she. In place of have, I have to put had. So Hina told Meena that she had no pen, so she would buy a new one the next day. Okay. Now see the fourth sentence. The English teacher said to the pupils, comma, I shall teach you English. So here the English teacher is a reporter. So the English teacher told the pupils that that is used for English teacher, that means he or she, you can put any one of them. He would teach, you use for the pupils, that means them, English. So again I repeat the answer. The English teacher told the pupils that he would teach them English. Now next sentence, he said to me, comma, I shall come with you to the station. So he told me that I is used for he. So he, in place of shall, we have to put would. He would come with You is used for the me. So come with me to the station. Next sentence. He said to me, comma, inverted comma, I shall return your pen tomorrow. So he told me that I is used for he. That means he. In place of shall we have to put would. He would return your. Your is used for me. So my pen. And in place of tomorrow we have to write down the next day. Okay. The next sentence, I said to Dhara, comma, inverted comma, you will have to do your homework. So I told Dhara that. You is used for Dhara. So she would have to do. Your is used for Dhara. So her homework. Now next sentence. He said to me, I shall return your pen tomorrow. So he told me that he would return your, that is used for me. So my pen the next day. The next sentence, she said to me, your sister teach me well. So she told me that your is used for me. So my sister. In place of teach we have to put taught. Taught her, because me used for her. Her well. The next sentence, she told the shopkeeper that she did not have enough money. So here I explain you 10 sentences. Now I will explain you the second point, interrogative sentence. Thank you very much.